Hi. Today we're going to tell you about using PPC and SEO together to increase marketing potentials. Some may see these as individual strategies, only employing one or the other. However, using both and making them work together can make your strategy more effective. Watch on to learn more about how to use both. Let's get started. SEO versus PPC. By combining both strategies, you are able to use them to their full potential and effectively boost your marketing. So, how should you begin bringing the two together? SEO's approach mostly tackles boosting organic traffic to your company's website. Meanwhile, PPC increases visibility. Hence, the best approach is to make your company visible with PPC and bring interest and traffic through SEO. PPC positioning and SEO awareness. With PPC, you can have ads placed in top positions. Even when search results are ignored, PPC ads are almost everywhere, increasing visibility. SEO can capture attention and organic clicks by targeting certain keywords, making them more relevant to certain searches. Website traffic and target market. SEO is known to increase traffic in the long run. However, placement ads are known to cater to your specific target market even more, especially if you need a quick boost. Employing the two together will help you reach a wider audience. It allows relevance randomly through search results, and at the same time, helps show the brand to the specific target market. Speed. Campaigns for SEO take longer to see results as it takes a lot of research. Meanwhile, PPC campaigns can be made and launched within a few days. It is ideal that while the SEO campaign is being made, there is still visibility with PPC advertising. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.